Morning everyone, I'm Kavya. The topic that we are going to discuss today is matrix. Let me write a matrix as the heading. Matrix, it is one of the scoring topic for the JEE and even for IIT. Because it doesn't need many calculations and formulas to remember, so we can score very easily in this topic. Let me tell you what does it mean. Matrix means. Matrix, it means it consists of a rows and even the column. Okay. Let me take an example so that you can understand in brief. So here we have the matrix which we can represent in a square brackets, and then it is having elements called a11 and a12 and up to so on, then a21 and then up to so on. Here it is we can write the matrix this way, and the elements inside the matrix are known as the elements of the matrix. And then we can represent the size of the matrix is known as like rows into column. Rows, let me tell you what does rows means and column means. So the horizontal elements are known as rows, and the vertical elements are known as column. Okay. Here these are the columns and these are the rows. And then let me write an example so that you can understand the size of the matrix in brief. So 2, 3, 4 and 2, 5, 6. So here we have this is one row and then this is second row. The size of the matrix is known as 2 by, and then a number of columns, and then this is one column, second column, and then third column. So we have three columns. So the size of the matrix is known as the 2 by 3. 2 by 3, and it consists of the 6 elements, that is equals to 6. It consists of the 6 elements. Okay. Let me tell you about the types of matrices. We have different types of matrices. Column matrix, and then row matrix, and then square matrix, and then rectangular matrix, and zero matrix, and we have at last identity matrix. Column matrix, it means it is having a column, only column. It doesn't have many rows. Let me write an example for the column matrix. It is having 2, 3, 4. It is having a column, that's it. It doesn't have any other rows. Only one row it is having, and then this known as column matrix. And then row matrix, similarly this way we have only the row and the column is 1. And then square matrix, it is having the rows is equals to column. So this is known as square matrix. And then rectangular matrix, where it doesn't have the number of rows and columns are not equal, so we call it as this one. Here we can zero matrix, matrix is equals to 0. And then identity matrix, here we have identity matrix which is denoted with I, and we have the elements, diagonal elements, that as 1. So we call it as a identity matrix. Okay. We generally use identity matrix for the solving of problems. And then now we can learn the properties of the matrices. We have many properties. First, let me discuss the addition of matrix. Addition of matrix. Let me consider a matrix A is equals to 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let me consider matrix B is equals to 6, 7 and 8, 9. So in order to add matrix, we have to add the elements of first position and then element of the second matrix. Means there must be a position. This is A11 of the A matrix, and this is B11 of the matrix. So we have to add these same positions, that as 2 plus 6, and then next A12 and then B12. We have to add these two. Then 3 plus 7. Similarly 4 and then 8. 8 plus 4 and then 5 and then 9. 5 plus 9. So this is known as the addition matrix. It is very much similar to how we perform the addition to the normal numbers. And then let me tell you a multiplication matrix. Let me consider this as an example to perform multiplication operation. So in order to multiply, first we have to consider the row, and then we have to multiply it with the columns. So 2 into 6, 2 into 6, then plus 3 into 8. So this is the first element after multiplying two matrices. And then second, similarly 2 into 7 plus 3 into 9. Similarly 4 into 6 plus 5 into 8. 7 into 4 plus 9 into 5. So I hope that you have understood the multiplication of matrix is very important in solving the problems of matrices. So 2, first we have to multiply the row and the column, and then row and the column. Okay, and then we can write it. Matrices 12 plus 24, and then 14 plus 27, 24 plus 40, 28 plus 45. We can write the summation. So this is the multiplication of matrix. So let me discuss the previous year question which I had collected from the previous year JEE mains. So here we have given a square plus CA plus DI is equals to 1. So they have given matrices A, that as 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Okay, this is matrix A. We have to find out the values of D and C and D. So first we have to multiply A with A. So 2, 3, 4, 5 has to multiply with 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then C into A. C is a constant. Then 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I it means 1, 0, 0, 1. I had considered I is 2 by 2 matrix. Since we have only 2 by 2 matrix, so we have to consider I even equals to the 2 by 2 matrix. So then after we have done this, then we have to add all these three. Then